In today's fast-paced world, having high stamina and strength is more important than ever. Whether it's excelling in sports, maintaining energy at work, keeping up with daily tasks, or improving overall health, physical endurance and muscular strength are crucial for peak performance. Many people struggle with fatigue, low energy, and limited physical power due to sedentary lifestyles, poor nutrition, or inconsistent exercise routines. The good news is that both stamina and strength can be significantly improved through a combination of exercise, nutrition, recovery, and lifestyle changes. Stamina refers to your ability to sustain prolonged physical or mental activity, while strength is your capacity to exert force on objects, including your own body in various movements. By working on both, you not only improve fitness, but also enhance mental focus, confidence, and overall well-being. In this guide, we will explore how to increase stamina and strength naturally, covering the best exercises, nutritional strategies, recovery techniques, and lifestyle habits. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, this comprehensive approach will help you achieve lasting results and unlock your full potential. 1. Understand the basics. Stamina versus strength. Before diving into workouts and strategies, it's essential to understand the difference between stamina and strength. Stamina, endurance. This refers to your body's ability to sustain prolonged activity without fatigue. Stamina relies heavily on cardiovascular fitness, efficient oxygen transport, and energy metabolism. Activities like running, swimming, cycling, or even high-repetition bodyweight exercises build stamina. Strength. Strength is your body's ability to generate force. It relies on muscle size, neuromuscular coordination, and energy systems. Strength is developed through resistance training, bodyweight exercises, and progressive overload techniques. Key takeaway. To increase stamina and strength simultaneously, you need a balanced approach that combines cardio, resistance training, mobility work, and recovery strategies. 2. Effective workouts to increase stamina. Cardiovascular training. Cardio is the foundation of stamina. It strengthens the heart, lungs, and circulatory system, allowing your body to sustain prolonged activity. Best cardio activities for stamina: running or jogging, cycling or spinning, swimming, jump rope. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. Sample cardio routine. Warm-up. 5 to 10 minutes of light jogging or dynamic stretching. Main workout. Option 1. Steady-state cardio. Run at moderate intensity for 20 to 40 minutes. Option 2. HIIT. 30-second sprint. 60 seconds walk. Jog. Repeat 8 to 12 rounds. Cool down. 5 to 10 minutes of walking and stretching. Tips for maximizing stamina. Gradually increase duration and intensity to avoid burnout. Maintain proper hydration during workouts. Mix steady-state cardio with interval training for optimal results. Bodyweight exercises for endurance. Bodyweight exercises are excellent for building muscular stamina while improving functional strength. Top exercises: push-ups, improves upper body endurance, squats, strengthens legs, and boosts lower body stamina. Plank builds core endurance. Lunges enhances balance and leg stamina. Burpees, full body endurance exercise. Sample bodyweight stamina circuit: 15 push-ups, 20 squats, 30-second plank, 12 lunges per leg, 10 burpees. Rest 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat 3 to 4 rounds. Tips: focus on slow, controlled movements for maximum muscle engagement. Gradually increase reps or add a weighted vest for progressive overload. 3. Strength training strategies. Resistance training. Strength training involves lifting weights, using resistance bands, or performing bodyweight exercises to challenge muscles. Key principles for strength gains: progressive overload, gradually increase weight or resistance. Compound exercises. Focus on multi-joint movements like squats, deadlifts, bench press, and pull-ups. Consistency. Train 3 to 5 times per week for optimal results. Sample strength routine. Squats, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Bench press or push-ups, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Deadlifts or glute bridges, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Pull-ups or rows, 3 sets of 6 to 12 reps. Plank, 3 sets. Hold for 45 to 60 seconds. Bodyweight strength exercises. If you don't have access to a gym, bodyweight exercises can effectively build strength. Push-ups variations, diamond, decline, pull-ups or chin-ups, pistol squats or Bulgarian split squats, dips, chair, or parallel bars. Plank variations with leg lifts or arm reaches. Tips: perform slow, controlled repetitions to maximize muscle engagement. Combine strength exercises with endurance-focused circuits for dual benefits. 4. Nutrition for stamina and strength. Your workouts won't reach their full potential without proper nutrition. Fueling your body correctly is crucial for building stamina, recovering from exercise, and gaining strength. Macronutrient guidelines. Protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. 1.2 to 2.0 grams per kilogram of body weight. Sources: chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, lentils. Carbohydrates provide energy for sustained workouts. Sources: oats, rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, fruits. Support hormone production and endurance. Sources: avocado, nuts, olive oil, fatty fish. Pre-workout nutrition. Consume complex carbs and moderate protein 60 to 90 minutes before workouts. Example: banana with peanut butter, oatmeal with protein powder. Post-workout nutrition. Focus on protein and carbs to replenish glycogen and repair muscles. Example: grilled chicken with rice and vegetables, protein shake with fruit. Hydration. Dehydration reduces stamina and strength. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily, more if exercising intensely. Consider electrolytes during long or intense workouts. 5. Recovery strategies to maximize stamina and strength. Recovery is as important as exercise for stamina and strength gains. Without proper rest, your performance and progress may plateau. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Sleep promotes muscle repair, hormone balance, and energy restoration. Active recovery. Light activities like walking, yoga, or stretching on rest days prevent stiffness and improve circulation. Stretching and mobility. Incorporate dynamic stretches before workouts and static stretches after workouts. Benefits include reduced injury risk, improved range of motion, and better muscular endurance. Mind-body techniques. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, or mindfulness reduce stress and enhance mental stamina. 6. Lifestyle habits to boost stamina and strength. Consistency. Stick to a routine for long-term results. Even small daily efforts compound over time. Stress management. Chronic stress reduces energy levels and hampers muscle recovery. Use yoga, meditation, or hobbies to relax. Avoid harmful habits. Excess alcohol, smoking, and poor diet negatively impacts stamina and strength. Focus on clean nutrition, proper sleep, and regular exercise. Track your progress. Monitor workouts, endurance levels, and strength gains. Gradual improvements motivate you and help adjust routines effectively. 7. Combining stamina and strength training. For optimal results, combine endurance and strength exercises in a balanced weekly schedule. Sample weekly routine. Monday, strength upper body. Tuesday, cardio plus core. Wednesday, strength lower body. Thursday, active recovery yoga or stretching. Friday, full body strength. Saturday, cardio endurance. Sunday, rest or light activity. Alternate between high intensity and low intensity days. Incorporate full body movements to build functional strength and stamina. 8. Mental stamina, the overlooked factor. Physical endurance is closely linked to mental stamina. The stronger your focus and mindset, the longer you can push yourself. Strategies for mental stamina. Visualization techniques. Imagine completing your workout or goal. Positive self-talk. Encourage yourself to overcome fatigue. Meditation enhances focus and reduces performance anxiety. Increasing stamina and strength is a journey, not a quick fix. By combining consistent exercise, proper nutrition, recovery, and healthy lifestyle habits, you can achieve lasting results and transform your physical and mental performance. Start by integrating cardio, bodyweight exercises, and strength training into your routine. Fuel your body with balanced nutrition, prioritize sleep, and practice mindfulness for sustained energy. Remember, progress takes time, consistency, and patience, but the results are worth it. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to our channel for more fitness and wellness content. Hit the notification bell, like this video, and share it with someone who wants to improve their stamina and strength. Comment below with your favorite tip or exercise, and let us know how these strategies are helping you reach your goals. Start your journey today, stay consistent, and unlock your full potential in strength, endurance, and overall vitality.